Hello, garden lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming outdoor spaces into stunning havens. Today, we're diving into a topic that combines functionality with undeniable beauty: deck garden beds, design inspiration. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. If you've ever looked at your deck and wished for more greenery, more life, or simply a dedicated space to cultivate your favorite plants, then this video is for you. We're going to cover everything from the fundamental meaning of these innovative garden solutions to practical design tips and the best materials to ensure your deck garden beds thrive for years to come. So, let's get started. To begin, let's establish a clear understanding of what deck garden beds truly are. Simply put, deck garden beds are contained planting areas specifically designed to be placed on elevated structures like decks, patios, or balconies. Unlike traditional in-ground gardens, these beds provide a designated growing space above the existing surface, offering a multitude of benefits for both the plants and the gardener. They can range from simple, freestanding containers to elaborate, built-in structures that seamlessly integrate with your deck's architecture. The key characteristic is their elevated nature, which distinguishes them from conventional garden plots and allows for gardening in spaces where direct soil access isn't feasible or desired. This concept has revolutionized urban gardening and provided solutions for those with limited yard space, allowing them to cultivate a vibrant garden right at their fingertips. Now, let's explore the significant advantages of incorporating deck garden beds into your outdoor living area. The benefits extend far beyond mere aesthetics, impacting everything from plant health to gardener comfort. One of the primary advantages is superior drainage. Raised beds naturally allow excess water to drain away more efficiently than in-ground gardens, preventing waterlogging and root rot, which are common issues in traditional settings. This improved drainage also means the soil warms up faster in the spring, allowing for an extended growing season. Furthermore, deck garden beds offer enhanced control over soil quality. You can custom blend your soil with the ideal mix of nutrients, compost, and other organic matter specifically tailored to the plants you wish to grow, rather than being limited by existing soil conditions. This leads to healthier plants and more bountiful harvests. Another significant benefit is improved accessibility and reduced physical strain. The elevated height of these beds means less bending and kneeling, making gardening a more comfortable and enjoyable experience, particularly for individuals with mobility challenges or those seeking to reduce strain on their backs and knees. Deck garden beds also offer excellent weed and pest control. The elevated design makes it more difficult for weeds to take root, and any that do appear are easier to spot and remove without disturbing your plants. Pests like slugs and snails also find it harder to access plants in raised beds. Finally, they offer unparalleled versatility and aesthetic appeal. You can customize the size, shape, and material of your deck garden beds to perfectly complement your deck's design and your personal style, effectively transforming a plain deck into a structured, organized, and visually appealing outdoor space. Designing deck garden beds to be truly beautiful involves a thoughtful approach to layout, plant selection, and complementary features. The goal is to create a cohesive and visually pleasing extension of your outdoor living space. Start by considering the overall layout and flow of your deck. Arrange your garden beds and containers in a way that maximizes space while maintaining easy access for watering and maintenance. Think about different heights and textures. Incorporate multi-level planters or tiered designs to add visual interest and allow for a greater variety of plants. Vertical gardening solutions such as trellises, hanging pots, or vertical planters can significantly enhance greenery without consuming valuable floor space, drawing the eye upwards and adding a lush backdrop. When selecting plants, consider a mix of flowering annuals for vibrant color, perennials for long-lasting greenery, and herbs or compact vegetables for both beauty and utility. Group plants with similar light and watering requirements together for optimal growth. Don't overlook the importance of scale. Choose plants that will not overpower the size of your deck or the garden beds themselves. Furthermore, integrate unique features such as built-in planters along railings or seating areas for a seamless look, or even a small tabletop water feature to add a calming element. Strategic lighting, such as solar-powered accent lights, can highlight your plants and create a magical ambiance during the evening hours. Finally, consider the color palette of your plants and the materials of your beds to ensure they harmonize with your existing deck and home exterior. Choosing the right materials for your deck garden beds is crucial for both their longevity and aesthetic appeal. The best material will depend on your budget, desired look, and the specific climate conditions in your area. Wood is a popular and classic choice, offering a natural and warm aesthetic. Untreated cedar and redwood are highly recommended due to their natural resistance to rot and insects, though they tend to be on the pricier side. While pine is more affordable, it will typically require more frequent replacement. If using treated wood, opt for newer formulations that are deemed safe for gardening, or line the interior of the beds with a non-toxic liner to prevent any potential leaching into the soil. Metal, particularly galvanized steel, has seen a resurgence in popularity. These beds are exceptionally durable, long-lasting, and can provide a modern, sleek appearance. They are often sold in kits for easy assembly and can withstand various weather conditions without warping or rotting. However, darker metal colors can absorb and retain more heat, potentially affecting soil temperature. Composite wood is an excellent low-maintenance option. Made from recycled materials like wood fibers and plastic, composite decking boards are designed to resist rot, decay, and insect damage, offering exceptional longevity without the need for staining or sealing. They come in a variety of colors and textures, mimicking the look of real wood while providing superior durability. Other viable options include natural stone or brick, which offer a very sturdy and long-lasting solution with a classic, formal aesthetic, though they can be more labor-intensive and expensive to install. Recycled plastic lumber is another durable and eco-friendly choice, resistant to cracking and splitting. Ultimately, the best material is one that balances your aesthetic preferences, functional requirements, and long-term durability needs. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here, the collection of the top 10 best deck garden bed ideas to get you started on creating your dream deck garden and spark your creativity. 1. Tiered herb and vegetable garden. Create a multi-level raised bed system using varying heights. This not only adds visual dynamism, but also allows you to grow a wide array of herbs and compact vegetables, ensuring a fresh supply right on your deck. You can dedicate each tier to different plant types or varying sun exposure needs. 2. Built-in railing planters. Integrate planters directly into your deck railing system. This creates a seamless and cohesive look, maximizing space and providing an ideal spot for cascading flowers like petunias or trailing ivy, adding softness and color along the perimeter of your deck. 3. Modular container collection. Utilize a collection of matching or complementary containers of different sizes and shapes to create a flexible and adaptable garden space. This allows for easy rearrangement and the ability to move plants based on sunlight or design preferences. Consider self-watering planters for reduced maintenance. 4. Vertical wall garden system. Install a vertical gardening system on an empty deck wall. This can range from simple pocket planters to elaborate hydroponic setups, turning a blank space into a living green wall filled with succulents, ferns, or even a variety of leafy greens. 5. Shade-loving retreat with ferns and hostas. If your deck is primarily shaded, design garden beds specifically for shade-loving plants. Large, lush ferns, vibrant hostas, and colorful impatiens can create a serene and cool oasis, bringing a touch of woodland charm to your outdoor space. 6. Edible landscape oasis. Focus entirely on edibles. Plant dwarf fruit trees in large pots, grow a variety of tomatoes and peppers in raised beds, and fill smaller containers with culinary herbs. This design is both beautiful and highly functional, providing fresh produce for your kitchen. 7. Zen-inspired deck garden. Incorporate elements of a Japanese garden with minimalist, clean lines. Use low-growing evergreens, ornamental grasses, and carefully placed rocks within your deck garden beds. A small water feature can further enhance the tranquil atmosphere. 8. Vibrant flower explosion. Dedicate your deck garden beds to a riot of color. Choose a mix of annuals and perennials that bloom throughout the season, creating a continuous display of vibrant hues. Think about contrasting colors and varying flower shapes for maximum impact. 9. Privacy screen planters. Utilize tall, narrow planters or raised beds to create living privacy screens. Plant fast-growing climbing vines on trellises within these beds, or use tall ornamental grasses or bamboo in contained forms to block unwanted views and create secluded zones on your deck. 10. Kid-friendly discovery garden. Design a section of your deck garden beds specifically for children. Plant easy-to-grow vegetables like cherry tomatoes, snap peas, or strawberries, and include sensory plants like fragrant herbs or soft, fuzzy lamb's ear. This encourages interaction and learning. Deck garden beds offer an incredible opportunity to extend your living space, cultivate your passion for gardening, and enhance the beauty of your home. By understanding their benefits, thoughtful design, principles, and selecting the right materials, you can create a truly spectacular outdoor oasis. Remember, your deck is an extension of your home, and with a little planning and creativity, it can become a vibrant, flourishing garden retreat. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future uploads. We love hearing from you, so share your deck garden bed ideas and questions in the comments section below.